Hi class. Today we're going to go over angles of elevation and depression, and you should all have this worksheet right here. Before you start with angles of elevation and depression, you have to make sure you know SOHCAHTOA. I posted a video on SOHCAHTOA on my Google Classroom, a review video, so you can watch my review videos, or you can watch the link that I posted to another teacher on YouTube to help you, because you'll need to know that before we go on to angles of depression and elevation. So to go over angles of depression and elevation, you should all have this. That's the link to the worksheet for today. It tells you what an angle of elevation is. It says it refers to the angle a line makes with a horizontal line when measured above the horizontal. So let's think about angle of elevation. And you start with a horizontal line, and when it says angle of elevation, it's the angle above the horizontal line. So if they say the angle of elevation, you have to go above the horizontal line, like you're looking up, like an elevator. An angle of depression is a little different. An angle of depression, you start at the horizontal, and the angle goes down from the horizontal. So angle of depression refers to the angle a line makes with a horizontal line when measured below the horizontal. So meaning going down. You're looking down from here, almost like as if you're depressed. So angle of elevation up from the horizontal, angle of depression down from the horizontal. And let's look at an example, like the one on the worksheet. This is number 2 on your worksheet. So it says the sun is at an angle of elevation of 58 degrees. So we always have to draw a horizontal elevation. It goes up from the horizontal by 58 degrees. Now it says a tree casts a shadow 20 meters long. Well, shadows cast on the ground. Shadow is always on the horizontal. So here's the shadow 20 meters long, and here's our tree. Okay? Now the sun is actually going to be right here at an angle of 58 degrees. So it says, tree casts a shadow 20 meters long on the ground. How tall is the tree? So this is going to be X meters. Now we're over here. This right here is our angle. So hypotenuse is across from the 90-degree angle. Over here, we look across. This is opposite. And the other side is the adjacent side. We have values in opposite and adjacent. So we have to use tangent. Tangent equals opposite over adjacent. So tangent of 58 equals opposite, which is X, over adjacent, which is 20 meters. Okay, now we stick a 1 under here, and we do cross multiplying. So X times 1, which is X, equals tangent of 58 times 20. So tan 58 times 20. So let's see what that looks like. 20 times tan 58 is 32 meters. So X equals 32 meters. If you're not getting 32, you're entering it wrong in your calculator.